everybody, so this is the second beach that we are going to cover here in Koh Rong Island, and this beach called Longset Beach. So now come with me and join me to my walking tours. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So this is the nicest beach. Clear water, crystal clear water, and the color of the ocean is perfect to swim. And we have also restaurants here, food where you can eat, and kids who are swimming. And you can also book a place to stay here. Hi, sir. Sir. Where are you going? Where are you going, sir?
Looking for food.
Food? Food is down there, and let's try here. No smoking wood, right? Oh. So this is the house of the locals.
No. This is poor everybody.
You change your mind. Green and blue. See, there is food here. Let me see. It's a Onidor's Koh Rong. We open now. Foods and drinks. And down there, why is the monkey is mad? Mad monkey.
Let's go for this little village and swim. Swimming time.
You're gonna swim?
I'm gonna swim for sure. How could you not? Right again.
Scarlet. We are in the pool now.
It's okay, you can go right.
They have food here. Ta-da! That's why people. They have gym here. Oh, it looks like a boat. Very nice. Hello. So this is the Longset Beach here. Here in Koh Rong, and one of the nicest beach here in island of Koh Rong. I'm going here first. Nice. This to the dog. Let's just go in the midst of the coconut.
Show us the way. Thank you. Thank you. There you go.
Here.
What
The-
else so bad?
Here.
Always found
In the midst of the coconut. This is coconut, not palm tree. Try to reach the coconut if you can reach. Try. Oh, this one. This one. Okay, go. Do it. So that I will know that you are tall. You are really tall. Wait, I have to show them. Wow! Beautiful!
So this is still Longset Beach.
Yeah,
It's really nice.
Longset Beach. Did you see how beautiful is this? Wow. Oh. So funny. Let's put that in the bag. This one because it's not that. This one hold because it's not that.
Such a coconut girl.
Wow, very nice there. Wow, so nice. Okay, let's go. Where is it? Okay.
Down there.
Koh Rong Beach. Do like this.
Look at that tree.
Come here, it's noisy there. Wow. It's hot. Let's go back.
Told you.
This is
Look at this tree.
oh. Okay. Nice.
Almost there. Down there.
It's still new, no? It's still new.
Volleyball.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Okay. Okay, I will stop here.
Why? This is the viewpoint.